less than 4 hours, we complete this mommy makeover. This patient is coming from California. Is a young mom. She's only 33 years old. But after the pregnancy and then the breastfeeding, she had some changes in her body. She's really thin, in great shape, but her breast lost a lot of volume. Her abdominal wall got a little lax and with a little bit of extra skin. So we did a combination of procedures. We did a breast lift augmentation. We used Motiva implants. We used a 235 cc. That is a great volume for her anatomy and for the result that she was looking for. We did a tummy tuck to eliminate all the extra skin in the lower abdomen, tight her abdominal wall to look more flat. And we also completed the 360 liposuction and BBL to enhance the waist and the buttocks. So this is a really good payback after pregnancy, being a mother, and now she's taking her body back.